Hi friends, today I am explaining supply chain management of Dell. Introduction of supply chain management. Supply chain management is a business practice that has been employed in order to give an effective service to customers and to make the business sustainable by considering all the aspects from the suppliers to the consumers. Supply chain integrates all the features such as manufacturer, supplier, transport, wholesaler, retailers, customers, and all other elements which link the above. Its main objective is to fulfill customer demands by adding value to the products and service. All facilities functions, activities associated with flow and transformation of goods and service from raw material to customer as as well as the associated information flows. Introduction of Dell. Founded by Michael Dell. Michael Dell is a CEO of a Dell company in 1984. Dell is a privately multinational company whose headquarters is situated in Round Rock, Texas, United States. The company is well known for its innovation supply chain management. Dell is a selling computer system directly to customer. This is first business model eliminated retailers that add unnecessary time and cost or can diminish Dell's understanding of customer expectations. Aim of project to study about supply chain management, importance of a supply chain management. Next is the supply chain of a Dell's. Supply chain integrates all the features such as manufacturer, supplier, transport, wholesaler, retailers, customers, and all other elements which link the above. Its main object is fulfill customer demands by adding value of the product and service. Better integration of planning and execution has become one of the dominant themes in supply chain. Dell has given a special place for the supply chain integration as described previously. The heart of Dell's success is its integrated supply chain, which has enabled rapid product design, fabrication, and assemble as well as direct shipment to customers. Inventories have been dramatically reduced through the extensive sampling of information. A product choice given the risk of technological and reductions in the cost of material that can exceed 50%. Even with reduced inventories, Dell strategy in use information has made possible dramatic reduction in replace time from order to delivery, giving Dell a significant competitive advantage. Next is the role of supply chain in maximum profit in a day. Dell is able to sustain a competitive advantage over competitors in computer industry because of extremely efficient supply chain distribution systems. Also, Dell has been able to acquire superior profits in industry since they are knowledgeable in areas of information communication, e-commerce, e-business, and internet and web technologies. Dell implement a just-in-time inventory system which operates one only 6 days inventory because the inventory system able Dell has been able to obtain higher profit margins. Inventory and labor are highest liabilities that are in a business firms. Since Dell inventory is only 6 days cycles, have been able to cut down cost of warehousing, hiring people to track and maintain inventory, and thus avoid using data technology. Next is effect of supply chain on a Dell company. Due to increased complexity and competition, supply chain management become very important for the business world. Dell computers are one of the most profitable and successful computers corporation. This approach of Dell towards the demands of customer give them a competitive advantage. The main supply chain challenges that Dell is now facing will be the of retail sales as far as inventory, facility, transformation, transportation, information, cost and customer service. The sale of computer hardware online has considered to be more successful rather than through the retail store such as Walmart and Target. Next is literature review. Innovation literature is rich typologies and description of innovation. dynamics and is mostly focused on technology. There are various sources of innovation and many models have been made demonstrate them. In the linear model of innovation, the source of recognized in manufacturer innovation, where an agent innovates in order to sell the innovation. Similarly, another source of innovation is end user innovation, where an agent develops an innovation for their own use as the existing product do not meet their needs. Innovation does not happen within the industry supply sides or as a result of articulation of user demands. It's happen through a complex set of process that links many different players together, which not only includes developer and users but a wide variety of intermediary organizations such as consultancies, standards, bodies, and many more. Next is brief description of project. Inside Dell, the secrets its supply chain success. To meet those goals, Dell realized unique supply chain strategy that gathers large volume of customers information through its direct sales models and share with internal procurement and sales departments as well as external supplier. With the growth of quality competition, it is crucial for Dell to keep its competitive advantage by offering new technology product and service. Dell should consider expanding into peripheral product markets that would complement their computer sales. What is the basic on which Dell builds the competitive advantage? Dell's strategy. The company was focused on simple ideas, understanding the needs of customer, and effectively providing the most accurate product that could satisfy the needs. Next is benefits of supply chain management. First, higher efficiency rate. Second, reduce cost effect. Third, rise output. Fourth, rise your business profit level. Fifth, boost cooperation. Sixth, lower delay in process. Seventh, enhance supply chain network. Last is reference. First one is Dell Company active from the original of January 19, 2012 to July 18, 2010. Second, Dell Technology Company profile. Kraft achieved the original on April 4, 2019, retired the February 20, 2019. Andreas Ireland, Karl Marcus, Wellenbergs, 2011. Supply chain management is Steam, Steam Zeiton, Berlin. Supply chains School of Operation Research and Information Engineering, Cornell Engineering. Thank you.